In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Kraken Pro. I'll show you how to do this on desktop, and I do recommend doing it on desktop since Kraken Pro works best here. Now you can also do it on the app, so if you want to follow along, that's also possible. But if you're using the website, first go to Kraken Pro by going right here and then clicking on Kraken Pro. That will take you to Kraken Pro and just sign you in automatically. Now what you want to do is go to trade in the left and just find the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So you can click right here and just search for a cryptocurrency. For example, if I want to buy Solana, I can just enter Sol, then you have Sol USD, Euro. These are 10x, meaning they have leverage. So that basically means that here you can add margin. So if you turn that on, then now you have 10x margin, meaning that you can use 10x your balance, which means your gains will be 10x and your losses will be 10x. So if it goes down 10%, then your entire position is gone, and if it goes up 10%, then you have doubled the position. Now I'll just do a normal buy order with the money I have in my account. So you can use this slider right here to set a percentage of your portfolio, how much you have available. Now I only have a couple euros here, so I'll just use that. And from there, what you can do is set the order type. So currently it's limit. You can also set a market order. I'll just do a simple market order for now, and I'll do it with, let's say, 75%. Then here TP and SL, you can click simple, and this is take profit and stop loss. You can also make an advanced take profit and stop loss, where you can trigger it by distance, PNL. You can have it index or last. So if you want to set a take profit and stop loss, you can, but from there just click buy and then click confirm. And now I will have bought it, so it's now waiting, and you can now see order submitted. So if I now check my history, you can now see that here the amount I bought a little bit of Solana. So that's how to buy crypto on Kraken Pro. You can now see I am holding the asset right here. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.